Hello, in a recent video in Ghana, our beloved Emeka Ihedioha in a meeting also said the Igbos who did not vote Atiku in the coming election, that's 2023 election, will be branded or as saboteurs. He added that Igbos would have to wait for the completion of Atiku's tenure, which could be 8 years or so, for us to have a president of Igbo extraction. Can you imagine the weight of that word, saboteur? Because we were denied, and we like, okay, let's make our own choices, and you still, oh my God. Anyway, watch the video first.
Nigeria is in search of a leadership. Understand the power matrix. It's either get involved or we're not. There are two parties at the end of the day in the election. The benefit and the APC. It is
APC.
and the Boki and Roshi and that. How much more of that? Only boy is a saboteur. Aspiration. Let me tell you, after Atiku Abubakar, the next president will come from southeast of Nigeria.
And some people are clapping for him on that.
Whenever you must win is Zamfara, Sokoto, Zambia,
And these are all the reasons he gave.
Yobe, Adamawa, Taraba, Bauchi, Gombe, Jigawa, Katsina.
Anyway, let me stop it there. Most of you have seen this video. Let's get to the new video. But before that, let me stop it there. You know, that was brutal and a kind of disrespect to the Igbo people. That's how a lot of Igbo people see it. For the sake of equity, prior to the campaigning and the rest, it was said that all the parties will work for the emergence of an Igbo president. However, when the time approached, they changed their minds. Another Fulani man came up in PDP to replace Buhari that have done 8 years. That's Atiku Abubakar. And, Ihedioha is an Atiku Abubakar's royalist. Now they changed their mind. They changed their mind. They want us to wait for 16 years of Fulani rule again, despite that Buhari has messed up his. And, telling Igbos to calm down, it was like, oh my God. Igbos were already displeased that they were not given a chance. And you are telling them that if they don't vote your party, that anyone who doesn't vote your party is a saboteur. Can you imagine? Igbos have, chosen a kind of a last resort. Let's go this way. Let's vote Peter Obi, who has joined the party. They said initially the party does not have structure. Now, they are contending with the party that doesn't have structure. They are fighting it. So, for me, it was like you are adding salt on our injury. Igbos have not ever had the chance to rule this country. And an opportunity came up. Imagine what will happen after Atiku's 8 years. We will start scrambling with some other people for it. Anyway, he has apologized. Well, he has apologized. I would like you to see it. But I want you to understand that I don't believe in any politician. I don't believe in any of Nigeria's politicians. Don't trust any of them. Because of what they will get and their alignment to parties, they can do anything. They can sell a whole race. Can you imagine what is coming from a beloved Ihedioha? Meanwhile, see the apology Whatever you make of it, I don't care.
But we have ways of dealing with those issues. We disagree within amongst ourselves, and we deal with them. But it's better you deal with issues. And so, incidentally, and the issues have been put in a different context. And some persons, majority of whom love me, majority of whom believe in me, majority of whom have confidence in me, majority who have very huge expectations of me, rightly so.
Because some the interpretation that they gave it was that you were asking that no Southeasterner should vote for Labour Party candidates.
Yeah, that's the point. Yeah, that's what.
And that is it.
So huge expectation born out of abundant love and expectations. To say, look, that I am as calling any or every Southeasterner, Igbo man at that, or indeed Nigerians who do not vote for my party as saboteurs. That cannot be. It's far from the truth. So obviously, that is not me. It's not in my character. I believe in even in dissent from within my immediate nuclear family. So
you can't deceive us.
My position was very simple. I was speaking to our people. I'm an MPC man. And the PDP has been faithful to us. The PDP has given us support. They gave us opportunity to produce a governor in our state. And I said to them, we have an opportunity. And I called that they should not sabotage our efforts to reclaim power. And that was it. That was the context. And if you read through or if you listen carefully, and incidentally, I have found that perhaps a number of persons who have made calls, either to my person, to my family members, or to my friends and associates, have not had the opportunity or privilege to watch the tape. If you do watch the tape, you find the context is certainly being blown out of proportion. However, I am responsible to a people. When a people show you love, people show you confidence, people believe in you, you also have need to respect their feelings. And so to all those millions of Nigerians, particularly of the Southeast extraction, who feel hurt by my choice of the use of language, I'm deeply sorry about it. I do not mean to hurt anybody, and they have a right, obviously, to express their political opinion in any way, form, or shape. I have a lot of my friends who belong to other political parties and we still relate and we continue to relate. So it is my considered view that people should accept me for whom I am and know that I am not a rude person, I'm not a disrespectful person, and I do not use words that are uncultured. I thank God for the privilege of my upbringing, and so that has guided me. And I believe that
Let's leave it there before he makes more blunders. He's trying to say he was quoted out of context. We all watched it. We saw what happened. Now, Nasabi, but I can never trust any politician again. I can never. I will wait to see what you can do before I will believe in you. Because I understand Ihedioha's position. It's about party. It's about what he will get. He has lost out in Imo State. Now he's looking forward to. Perhaps he will come back, even if he lost his election. Atiku winning, Atiku will use tribunal because the whole of what we see in Nigerian politics is a mess. But I'll leave viewers to react to this. If they want to forgive you, my hand no day. Please share this video widely. And subscribe if you have not, please. And follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Bye-bye for now.